Welcome back to Unique's Garden, y'all. So today is the 2-week update for Watermelon Wars. So let's check out these melons, y'all. Okay, so I'm not sure what these are. I think these two, they're either Jubilee or Josh because they're light colored, but they're doing pretty good. Nice sizes on them. So we have those there. The one I thought was Carolina Cross, I don't know what it is, y'all. It's kind of dark and it's really little. I think it's a sugar baby, but that's fine. You can see how far out they are going. The vines are going. Yeah, this one is a Congo here. It's looking pretty good. I don't think I saw much of this one last time because it wasn't showing that big. So we have that Congo there. And then I think the Jubilee. A Jubilee here. Get the netting off if you can see. So, ooh. This one, just sitting there. Doing pretty good. There's another dark one. Still thinking it's a sugar baby, y'all. It's a nice, very dark melon. We got this one over here. I think this is a Jubilee. That one's really big, getting some weight on it. This is the one that got the weird buoy. See? Do you remember from last week how big it was? So that's it now. And this one came all the way over here. This one over here is a Congo. He didn't make a show last week much because it wasn't that big, but doing pretty good. Congo. We do have this one over here that is growing in the green stalk. This one is the Jubilee. Getting a nice little shape there. Nice, that one. And the grand one over here. The one I have named David. Because he was talking about my watermelons. Talking about he seen some cantaloupe. Nah, buddy. There's some melon right here. And David right here is going to win Watermelon Wars. So, that's the update. Oh, y'all always forget the Congo that's hanging out over here. I pull Congo. I'm going to put him in a bigger pot. He's just in the 8-inch nursery pot, but he's hanging out over here. So, don't forget, if you like this type of content, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.